Fola Iyabo ẹlẹ́wọ̀n AK-47 mo rí pé o feel remorseful pẹ̀lú bó ṣe lọ jalè Fola Iyabo ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ìyá kùsì onígbáná bó ṣe lọ jalè o feel remorseful. You are not ready for the entrepreneur. You are not ready for business. Oh, feel remorseful. And mo rí fídíò tẹ́ ẹ jọ ṣe Fola ó jà àwọn èèyàn lólè Jókòtadé wá bẹ búlì àwọn èèyàn yẹn ọjọ́ tí Jókòtadé ti ń ta pàrágà despite the fact pé wọ́n dá Jókòtadé lókòwò pàrágà sórí pé kò survive nídìí ẹ̀ Jókòtadé ń ta sachet ògógóró ó ń fòbò gbà nídìí Fola AK-47 Fola níní you have to do the needful for your client. You have to do the needful fún gbogbo àwọn tó jà lólè ṣebí ìwọ ló wá sórí social media tó wá bá tèèyàn jẹ nítorí káyé lè bá rí ẹ nígbà tó dẹ̀ ti wá sí social media tí wò ó níṣẹ́ tó kò lókòwò o ò kàwé o ò ṣe nǹkan kan oríire nígbèésí ayé ẹ o wá target ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ àbí and up till now ọdún kelo gbọdún karùn ìkẹfà rí tó fi ń gbé wá tọrọ bára o tí lálùbáríkà dé kó máa ní ṣọ àwọn tó ń bá ṣe bàràǹdà ìwọ àti wọn àti Iyabo Ojo ẹjọ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn ẹjọ́ sálọ for the fact that the woman brought your case Fola. Nigerians deserve an explanation. You need to come online and tell Nigerians why you have to remain an entrepreneur. You don't understand? Say na person get that brush up. I told you she does not have any shop. She has not gotten any shop. They are just using her to make money. Bọ́lá she bá ti tiẹ̀ jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ayé èyí tó bá fẹ́ bá tèèyàn jẹ́ in process ti tiẹ̀ gangan máa bàjẹ́. Òun ló dífá fún Dayo Amusa. Mo fẹ́ update nǹkan kan. Ẹ wo kíní tí mo fẹ́ gbé sókè. Ẹ wo kíní tí mo gbé sókè. Ẹ kà á fúnra yín. Àbí ẹ jẹ́ n gbé sísàlẹ̀. Sharing content yes or Dayo Amusa classy one. Eye mention no conflict defend her first screenshot as Dayo posted the warning VN she sent to Lizzy since January. Lizzy con dey talk atamoma. Oh my goodness. Low-key Dayo Amusa na idonla. She no go shout but doings na water. Lizzy sef no. Of course. Doing oloshi ẹ̀dá na water. Doing oni poverty na water. Doing ẹni tí ológo na water. Doing olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá bí Dayo Amusa na water. You are right. Doing is na water. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé wo mọ̀ pé mo máa dá lóhùn ní ìjẹta. Ìjẹrin lẹ post photo yìí. Ẹ post write up yìí. Gbogbo yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní hail Dayo Amusa torí pé olórí burúkú kan náà ni gbogbo yín. Tani Dayo Onídayọ̀ doings na water. Doings na water kò rí ilé ọmọ ẹ̀ fi ṣe doings. Dayo ò rí ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ fi ṣe doings. Dayo ò rí àti wáyé ẹ̀ fi ṣe doings. Dayo ò rí career fi ṣe doings. Dayo ò rí ìgbéyàwó fi ṣe doings. Dayo ò rí kí abiyamọ gbé oyún fóṣù 9 fi ṣe doings. Orí burúkú ìbànújẹ́ tẹ máa ń set orí aláìṣẹ̀ up láti fi gba donation ìyẹn lè fi ṣe doings. Anyway ìwọ bọ́ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. Mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ní wípé àwa tá a mọṣẹ́ ṣe, àwa tá a lógo, àwa tá a ráyé wá, àwa tá a wáyé wá dára bọ́pọlọ wá ṣe rí kọ́ ni ọpọlọ ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú oníbàárà bọ́pọlọ yìí ṣe rí. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ò sí bákan náà. Lálákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ìgbésí ayé Dayọ̀ Amusa ó tó kó má lo social media tó bá wo bí Ọlọ́run ṣe kọ̀yìn sóhun gégùn fún òun tó bá náà ń lo social media. Dayọ̀ Amusa òun ṣe tó lè lo social media ó jẹ́ ń gbé yẹn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. Ó ti yé wàá rí pé ńgbà tẹ́ jẹ kòbókò ara yín ti wálẹ̀ wọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ fi voice note yẹn achieve rí fi achieve kàkà kí voice note yẹn kó gbé yín ó padà gbé yín ṣubú ni. And voice note ti Dayọ̀ Amusa post ṣe bí èmi ló send ẹ̀ sí despite the fact pé mo rí pé material gidi ni voice note yẹn mo tọ́jú ẹ̀ torí wípé gbogbo ayé á lè bá mọ bí Iyabo Ojo ló ṣe operate. So ìbọ́sẹ̀gbẹ̀ kan Dayọ̀ Amusa àwọn threat message ẹ mo máa treat ẹ separately. Audio ìwọ ló fún mi ní material èmi ò lọ fẹ́ tí ó bá wà fún mi mo máa treat threat message ẹ separately. Orí pé mi ò wá ta lánàá I've been busy with my business one. Number 2 show jẹ́ ta yẹn mo feel fún ẹ o ò lè survive ìyá ẹ ò lè survive. Dayọ̀ threat message yẹn mo sì máa treat ẹ separately gbọ́ kó kọ́ máa deal pẹ̀lú tìjẹta yẹn náà máa deal pẹ̀lú tìjẹta yẹn máa deal pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ yá ó gba monetization ṣe rí àwọn máa sanwó pretty Jade ó máa sanwó so lọ́ máa mú mi sí tìjẹta yẹn Dayọ̀ then a ti run out of material Dayọ̀ Amusa a ti run out of material máa fún wa ní gbódídí ṣan ṣé o mọ̀ pé egun tó kọ́kọ́ jó ni ìran ló máa wò nígbẹ̀yìn ṣé o mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló kọ́kọ́ fún mi ní pásìn ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu mi tán ó dẹ̀ rí pé mi ì lápọn ó ti yẹ so tó bá yẹ pé like I said kò mí kí n drag ẹ torí kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó jẹ́ nǹkan kan nílé ayé tí n bá tún ní kí n fún ẹ ní fèmù ó ò lè rí fèmù yẹn fi ṣe nǹkan oríire ṣó mọ̀ pé tí n bá fún yín ní fèmù tán èmi mo tún máa ń lògùn yín èmi ni máa fún yín ní fèmù ó notice máa fún yín ní fèmù máa dẹ̀ tún máa lo kádàrá yín ó notice ṣé o rí pé mo fún Fọlá ní fèmù Iyabo Ojo wọn ọ̀gbọ́n mọ́ o rí pé mo fún ní fèmù o rí pé gbogbo yín tí mo fún ní fèmù o rí pé èmi ni mò ń lò èyí tó dáa nínú ìràwọ̀ yín kámazù ìláwàyò o rí pé èmi ni mò ń lò ìràwọ̀ yín so fame na water me I give people fame I don't mi ò ń ṣahun so jọ Dayọ̀ yìí ta fún ẹ níjẹta ṣé o mọ̀ pé wọ́n ló kọ́kọ́ gbé ọ́díò síta ìwọ ló dẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ fún mi lọ́díò ìwọ ló dẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ threatening mi ló sọ pé ẹni tí mọ́tò bá gbà kọ́ ló máa mú nọ́mbà. I'm coming to analyse your show critically but pending that time jẹ́ kí n fún ẹ ní time kó tiẹ̀ kó rí bí tábàjàbí kakúkọ ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń lọ waste àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń rán àwọn èèyàn lọ sí ìrìn àjò ṣé o mọ̀ pé statement tó sọ yẹn pé ẹni tí mọ́tò bá gbá kọ́ ló máa mú nọ́mbà ṣé o mọ̀ pé Mohbad ò dẹ̀ dúró mú nọ́mbà tó tọ́ Mohbad ò mú nọ́mbà bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ẹ tọ́jú nọ́mbà fún ọdún 5 lẹ fi tọ́jú nọ́mbà fún Naira Marley Sam Larry ẹ ti gba nọ́mbà lọ́wọ́ wọn báyìí mo ṣì ń bọ̀ mo analyse critical analysis ni now this beautiful woman came to my office yesterday ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́ sticker. This beautiful woman came to my office yesterday. Ìyá òyìnbó, Ìyálóde, she came to my office yesterday. Ojo that have all those materials that they are using to bully Mohbad, not Naira Marley. Ìyálóde, the truth of the matter is this. Èèyàn méjì ló wà nílé ayé. èèyàn méjì ló operate social media. Àwọn alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ àwọn sẹ́ẹ̀tì Iyabo tí wọn ò níṣẹ́, wọn ò ní education, wọn ò kọ́ṣẹ́ ọwọ́, wọn ò ní láárí, wọn ò jẹ́nìyàn nínú ayé. They have time, but they did not utilize their time. They waste their time in pulling down others. This type of people, like Iyabo Ojo, number one, they are rude. Eri Watida Yoamusawu, they are arrogant. They failed. They are broke. They are poor. They are extremely low. So they have time to stalk people. Who do they attracted? They attracted people like them. Iyabo Ojo have a lot of time. 24 hours. She said it that she used to carry Okada on social media, that she used to go all about. Number two, Iyalode, I want to play you a video. I saw some of them. They said I was forcing smile. I did not snap with you very well. They don't even know how sweet to even see people like you. I'm in Abuja, seeing my Yoruba people to come and patronize me. At least it's Igbo people and Hausa people that have been patronizing me, because they don't listen. They don't even know what all this Iyabo Ojo, Esabod, all this blackmailer, they don't know. I received a client yesterday, side 6, she's side 6, and behold, our entourage is out of this world. So, and Iyalode, when you came, you saw someone with me. My security are grounded. I have my personal Audi. I have Iyalode Bobote Vilano. Eribo Shega is about 7 feet. Ó dẹ̀ dúró re, Eribo dúró re lọ́mọkùnrin. And kò dúró lásán. Ó ti yín ọmọlúwàbí dáadáa ni tó kájú ẹ̀. You don't understand? Iyalode, ṣé ọ̀ràn ni kéèyàn kan dìde pé ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́? Ṣé ọ̀ràn ni kí nǹkan mọṣẹ́ ṣe nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Ṣé ọ̀ràn ni kí Lizzy má join wọn láti bí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wó? Kí ló dé tán ṣe àtàkì yín torí pé wá rajà? Iyalode, tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rajà lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy, ibo lẹ ti fẹ́ rí irú quality tẹ́ fẹ́ rà lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy yẹn, ibo lẹ ti fẹ́ rí rà tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rà lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy? Ẹ wá rí pé aburú tán ṣe lórí social media kò ń ṣe fún ara wọn nìkan ṣoṣo. Wọ́n fẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn dàbí alákìísà bíi titi wọn. Wọ́n fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wà kísà bíi titi wọn. Because as out of today, ọ̀dọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin nìkan lẹ ti lè rí lace, gèlè, ìpèlé, shoe and bag pẹ̀lú jewelry complete set. Ọ̀dọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin nìkan lẹ ti lè rí without stress. Ẹ fẹ́ ṣe photoshoot, ẹ fẹ́ ṣe birthday, ẹ fẹ́ ṣe party, ẹ fẹ́ ṣe gbá, pé ẹ fẹ́ wọṣọ lówó pọ́kú àbí ẹ fẹ́ grounded one. Iyalode, ẹ̀rí nǹkan tá ń ta lánàá náà. Iyalode, when you came yesterday, how do you feel wípé ọmọ Yorùbá ló nírú beautiful castle bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn as a fabric shop? How do you feel? I don't have your number. How do you feel? Pretty gilly. Iyalode, as ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà, how do you feel? Ṣé ẹ rò pé ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi yẹn, ọ́fíìsì mi yẹn, because ọ́fíìsì làwọn ń pè, because tó o bá ní nǹkan rà you cannot walk in, tó o bá rajà you cannot walk in, tó o bá wá o gbọ́dọ̀ rajà. How do you feel pé Yorùbá ló wà nípò ààrẹ, ọmọ Yorùbá àtàtà bíi Lizzy Anjorin ó wá lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù tí kò pé méjì sí Àbújá? Ẹ rí wípé nǹkan orí òkè ń dùn mọ́ Iyabo nínú, kò dẹ̀ lápá iṣẹ́. gbogbo àwọn blackmailers yìí wọn ò lápá iṣẹ́, wọn ò ní ọpọlọ tó lè fi gbé business kalẹ̀. Èèyàn wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi, ó snap pẹ̀lú mi. I was very tired. I was very tired lánàá. Ẹ rí pé mi ò jáde. She saw, in fact, when she walked in, she saw how I was walking. Fortunately or unfortunately, fóònù mi kú níbi tí orí fóònù mi gbóná dé lánàá. Àwọn kan ń ṣèyàwó ní weekend yìí. Mo gbọ́dọ̀ gbé gbogbo ọjà wọn. Mo ti lọ ṣe fittings fún wọn lánàá l'Abuja. Mo ṣe fittings fún wọn. Lára bàtà tíyàwó fẹ́ wọ̀ tí mo design kò bọ́ jáde lánàá. Ṣé ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n kí kú ewu ọmọ hire purchase tẹ́ ẹ send audio tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ fi gba donation, ẹ lè mọṣẹ́ táwa tá a níṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, ẹ lè mọṣẹ́ tá a ń ṣe. The Iyalode that came yesterday, she came with her friend. They walked in. So beautiful. I appreciate her skin. As a good-hearted person that I am, when I see people, I see beauty in them. Ẹ lọ wo chat èmi àti Esabod. Ẹ lọ wo chat èmi àti Iyabo Ojo. Ẹ lọ wo chat èmi àti Dayo Amusa. Ẹ lọ wo contribution mi sí ìgbésí ayé Fola. Owó tèmi fi ń ran Fola lọ́wọ́, owó tẹ́lòmí máa san pé kan lọ fẹ́ pa ni. Tí tébù bá tàn tó bá kó gbogbo ẹ̀yin obìnrin tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ni Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Fola, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Iyabo. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Iyabo ni Fola ò ní hàn nínú máàpù rárá. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Iyabo ọmọ bending roller waist, ẹ wo gbogbo ìwà tí Iyabo Ojo ń wù fún ọmọ bending roller waist. Iyabo Ojo ò mú ọmọ bending roller waist kò mú mọ́ra. Gbogbo ìwà tí Iyabo Ojo ń wù fún ọmọ bending roller waist, òun ni kán máa rí ọmọ bending roller waist bí ẹrú, kán máa rí ọmọ títí ẹ̀ bí èèyàn pàtàkì. Despite the fact pé Iyabo Ojo ò ra mọ́tò, kò ra lé, kò ṣe nǹkan oríire rí, ó wá gba material bending roller waist, ó wá fi ń pákéjì àwọn òkú ọmọ títí ẹ̀. Ní gbogbo ìgbà tí bending roller waist wà pẹ̀lú Iyabo Ojo, àfolórí burúkú èèyàn tí ò lọ́pọlọ ló máa sọ wípé Iyabo Ojo had value mọ́ ọmọ bending roller waist. Instead, Iyabo Ojo was overpacking her dead children to mock ọmọ bending roller waist. Time tí ọmọ bending roller waist bímọ tó yẹ kí Iyabo Ojo bu ọmọ bending roller waist láṣìírí, time yẹn Iyabo Ojo kó ìlú tó lọ ń lù lé èròjà àmàlà lórí ní airport tí Iyabo Ojo fi mock bending roller waist. Single-handedly Iyabo Ojo ba image bending roller waist àtọmọ ẹ̀. For Igbo people wey no hear my language, I said Iyabo Ojo's man friend, Iyabo Ojo single-handedly destroyed the children of her man friend. She destroyed the image of her man friend children. When the lady, Iyabo Ojo's man friend daughter, got pregnant out of wedlock as a good mother, Iyabo Ojo supposed to team her own daughter with her man friend's daughter. But because Iyabo Ojo is used to pulling people down, destroying people, mocking people, you see, it is in Iyabo Ojo's DNA to destroy people for people to see her, despite the fact that she is nothing. Now, listen to this. Iyabo Ojo had nothing, no car, no house, no clothes, no glory. It was her man friend borrowed car that Iyabo Ojo used to borrow. When the daughter now got pregnant out of wedlock, Iyabo Ojo now went to Tanzania to go and borrow one lazy idiot. What is the essence of Iyabo Ojo gathering drummers to go and meet her own daughter Agbesun at the airport, when you know that your man friend that borrowed you cars around, daughter got pregnant out of wedlock? So what Iyabo Ojo has been doing to people, she's surely doing it to everybody around her. The nuisance that supported Iyabo Ojo to go and do the rubbish in Tanzania, her best friend that helped her to sell clothes, when Esabod was destroying the image of the lady, did Iyabo Ojo comes online and say, no, Esabod, I remember the goodness and the good side or the good thing this lady has done. Please don't attack this lady. Did Iyabo Ojo say anything? Instead, it was Iyabo Ojo that was feeding Esabod because she's done with the lady. She has used that lady. She needs to dump the lady so that the lady will not be saying, "I if not for me, I help you during your daughter's wedding." So you understand? So if we are telling you that someone is a terrible person, someone is evil, it is not because she has done it to us. I am just creating an awareness for those of you that you are the next in line for our evil. So you understand? I have step kids. I have my own daughter. So far, I accept a man to be my husband or to be my boyfriend or to be my man friend. Our children should automatically become mine. Look at what I did to Fola's children. Look at what I did to Fola's children. By doing what? You all saw me. I was the one that paid for Fola's children international passport. Yes or no? Yes or no, Nigerians? For those of you on Instagram, you saw me, you saw the evidence. It was Fola that even posted the evidence. I was the one that paid for Fola's children's international passport. Despite the fact that the 4 children are not my husband's children. But because of my good heart, I was the one paying for Fola's house rent. Despite the fact that Fola is a lazy bastard that came to tap from my husband's resources. And when we got to know that my husband owns no children from Fola, instead of me to become an enemy of Fola, I now become helper to Fola. Look at the goodness. Olalere Fumilayo. Look at the positive impact. Look at the goodness Lizzy has done to our enemy. Instead of Lizzy to kill our enemy, instead of Lizzy to destroy our enemy like Iyabo Ojo used to do to people, instead of Lizzy Anjorin to lie against Fola, Lizzy did not even bring Fola's case. Lizzy Anjorin did not even tell us anything about Mr. Lawal. Lizzy Anjorin has not come online and tell Nigerians anything about Fola. Instead, Lizzy Anjorin was even helping Fola. You wonder why Iyabo Ojo will never make it with her children? Because Iyabo Ojo has stepped on toes. The contributions of Lizzy Anjorin to Fola, can Iyabo Ojo ever do that? Look at how Lizzy Anjorin bring her stepkids together. Can Iyabo Ojo bring any of her stepkids together? Instead, Iyabo Ojo will be posting and be brushing her dead children to mock her stepkids. Another thing that I've done that I doubt if any woman can do it is for that your Amusa to go and be mocking and be laughing where they are causing newborn baby less than 10 days. And when Dayo got her own what's it called, higher purchase charge, this Lizzy swallowed everything, the pains, the trauma, everything. Lizzy Anjorin swallowed it, and genuinely Lizzy Anjorin chats Dayo Amusa with pure mind, with godly mind. And what did Dayo did? What did she did? Despite the fact that she fucked up, despite the fact that she has done a lot of evil, what did Lizzy did? Lizzy kept quiet and still swallowed everything, and she was like this. instead of Iyabo Ojo to team up with her old cargo man friend for the children to have a positive life. Iyabo Ojo was now looking for trouble, now pushing her man friend to be going from one police station to another, one court to another, because Iyabo Ojo does not want that man's children to be successful. The little money that man supposed to spend for her children, she's now using it for Iyabo Ojo to go to court, to go to station. I mean court that was being later striked out, station that Iyabo Ojo later enter prison. Look at, oh yeah, give me one thing, or mention one thing Lizzy Anjorin has done to Iyabo Ojo, that you are Musa Fola. Give me one thing Lizzy Anjorin has done to them. I'm starting to be corrected. Give me one thing that Lizzy Anjorin has done. Don't forget that Iyabo Ojo has never congratulated me. She has never ever congratulated me. When her mad mama, her mother that died in a psychiatric hospital, when the hopeless, foolish, forgotten idiot died, what did Lizzy Anjorin did? Lizzy Anjorin went to Iyabo Ojo and said, Iyabo, sorry for what happened to your mother. And Lizzy still prayed for Iyabo. Can I bring the evidence? Or most of you have seen it. After Lizzy Anjorin prayed for Iyabo, what did Iyabo Ojo do to Lizzy? After Lizzy Anjorin prayed, despite the fact that Iyabo Ojo has never for once celebrated Lizzy or congratulated Lizzy, Lizzy went to go and pray for Iyabo. I have the evidence here. What did Iyabo Ojo did in return? Oh yeah, over to you guys. Let me be using the opportunity to bring Esabod's video. Tell me, what did Iyabo Ojo did in return? After Lizzy Anjorin prayed for Iyabo Ojo, genuinely from her heart. Can I bring the evidence? Can I bring the evidence? After Lizzy Anjorin paid for Fola Sariyu's children's school fees, house rent, and some documents, even feeding money, I am telling you for free today, Lizzy Anjorin fed Fola and her children. I am telling you, Lizzy Anjorin was the one feeding Fola and her dead children. I am telling you for free today with evidence. At least if you did not see anyone, Lizzy Anjorin has been saying that she did. We all could see the documents Lizzy Anjorin did. We all saw that. What did Iyabo Ojo did? After Lizzy prayed for Iyabo, àdúrà tó máa di èpè sí orí ìwọ Iyabo Alice Ojo àtàwọn ọmọ àtọmọ ọmọ ẹ tó tiẹ̀ ti gbèpè náà ti dẹni èpè. Kí ni Iyabo Ojo ṣe? In return of Iyabo Ojo, Iyabo Ojo went to go and hire Fola to record my husband, voice note and nudity. Tawale ń ṣépè fún, ta lẹ rò pé ẹni èpè ni nínú èmi àti yín. If Iyabo Ojo has used Fola to collect donation in peace, I will not put my mouth. Iyabo Ojo, less than a year that Lizzy Anjorin prayed for Iyabo, that Lizzy Anjorin prayed, like paid condolence to Iyabo. In return, less than a year, less than 12 years, Iyabo Ojo bought phone for Fola to go and record nudity and voice of Lizzy Anjorin's husband. Tawale ń ṣépè fún, ta lè pé wá mú báyìí. Torí pé ẹ̀yin kan sọ pé àǹtí tó wá sọ́dọ̀ wa lánàá kó lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nítorí olórí burúkú Iyabo tó máa mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, kó lọ ra pepper soup lọ́dọ̀ Iyabo. Lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn kan dẹ̀ ti dáhùn pé ṣé kán lọ jẹ menstruation, ṣé kán lọ jẹ menstruation pepper soup. No reasonable person will patronize Iyabo Ojo, or people that give advert to Iyabo Ojo. No reasonable personality will patronize them. That is just the simple truth. that is just mo rí AI tó ṣe Iyabo Ojo tó ní